guys, welcome back to DailyCoin. While David Gokhshtein may have bitten off more than he can chew by claiming himself to be the unofficial leader of SHIB, the young entrepreneur is becoming a prominent cryptocurrency influencer. While Gokhshtein has always been bullish on Bitcoin and blockchain in general, he's recently turned his social media attention to meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. This has been met with degrees of sarcasm from SHIB community and the wider ecosystem, leading us to ask some important questions. Who exactly is David Gokhshtein, and does this former entrepreneur offer reliable investment advice? Now, long before becoming a well-known Bitcoin and Ethereum investor, David was always an entrepreneur at heart. He studied accounting and finance at Brooklyn College in New York, which would prepare him for his career in the cryptocurrency market. After his studies, Gokhshtein dived straight into the financial industry and wasted no time securing high-level positions. According to his LinkedIn profile, David held the position of finance director at several firms in the automotive industry. In 2018, David was invited to join the Forbes Financial Council, an exclusive network for thought leaders and senior-level executives in the financial industry. A blockchain and digital currency advocate, Gokhshtein shared insightful content about the growth and application of crypto in modern businesses. Like many before him, the entrepreneur naturally found his way into the world of digital assets. While having been involved in the cryptocurrency market since the early 2010, it wasn't until 2018 that Gokhshtein went into crypto full-time. David launched his own personal website where he would share Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis for informational purposes. During this period, he was also the co-founder and host of the Crypto Mamba podcast. These days, David is best known for his social media personality and meme coin shills. He's a devout supporter of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and foresees Doge breaking previous all-time highs. What's more, he's hinted he will delete his Twitter account if SHIB ever hits $0.01. Following the success of David's website and podcast, Gokhshtein Media was born. The company shares crypto news such as FTX insolvency and Luna collapse and provides services for blockchain businesses including marketing packages and Gokhshtein Media merchandise. In an attempt to expand his Web3 network and community, Gokhshtein launched a free NFT collection. This is a collection of 10,000 NFTs that give holders access to a network of like-minded enthusiasts. And while the advertised benefits give holders merchandise and discounts on Gokhshtein Media services, community members also share information about their favorite altcoins like Doge, XRP, or LTC. Discussions in the community aren't only limited to crypto. Community members come from a variety of backgrounds and have free reign to discuss everything from potential business models to Tesla stock. But there's always a flip side to everything on DailyCoin. In many cases, crypto influencers are more interested in attracting social media engagement and growing their brand rather than sharing good investment advice. David Gokhshtein is a crypto influencer with a growing network of followers, and that might be or might be not the case. In the cryptocurrency market, it's important to understand someone's motives before following their advice or paying for their services. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.